stuck. That's what. It's supposed to be stuck. That's a symbol. That's a
Got our new
symbol.
drum set.
Okay.
We busted it out when someone's a little sleepy. We've had kind of a fussy time with it so far, but
We like it.
I think we're really going to enjoy it.
No. Let's not break it. It's delicate. Look, let me show you what you do. You put your foot on it. Let me see.
There you go.
You want to sit in your chair and try it? Here, let's sit in your chair and try it.
No, I want to sit. I sit. Sit.
Let's hear some drumming.
Mommy.
Nah, we're getting it. Up. You like your drum set, man?
Don't say. Take away. Go away, Daddy. Go away. Take away.
Okay, I'll go away. You keep having fun, okay?
Go.
Show's over? Alright, I guess now we're gonna play with the box.
Mommy.
Peace out, y'all. Hey, Zachary.
Huh?
Zachary.
Huh?
You say peace out.
Peace out.
Attaboy.